and gracious Southern hospitality. She was affectionately known around town as Miss Shelby and was loved by all who knew her. As a charter member of Savannah Junior Auxiliary, she helped shape our community and worked on projects to benefit the lives of children. In addition, she taught and guided children as a teacher at North Elementary and Hardin County Junior High School in Savannah. As a devoted member of First United Methodist Church of Savannah, she served on several committees and councils, including the Staff Parish Committee, the Parsonage Committee, and the Board of Trustees. She was extremely proud of her church, especially on those occasions when she proudly was accompanied by her daughters, their spouses, and her grandchildren. The City of Savannah today, April 18, 2021, honors and proclaims that the name Shelby Jean Webb Gagnon be forever remembered as a prominent citizen of Savannah, Tennessee. May these bells named in honor of Miss Shelby henceforth and forevermore warm the hearts of all those who hear them, just as hearts in Savannah have been warmed through the decades by being blessed to know Shelby Jean Gagnon. Therefore today, I, Bob Shutt, Mayor of Savannah, Tennessee, do hereby officially assign and seal the honors of today's proclamation to the legacy of Shelby Jean Gagnon.